Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you perfect and moist and soft sponge cake recipe, which is the basic vanilla sponge, which is going to be very tasty and delicious and very spongy. You can enjoy it at any time in the evening with tea or coffee. So for that, first of all, take a grinding jar and add in 2 eggs into it. In case you are having a blender, you can blend all the ingredients using the blender. For those who don't have the blender, this method is just perfect. Now add in half cup of sugar into it. Also add in 2 to 3 tablespoons or approximately 1/4 cup of oil into it. And now close the lid and grind it on high speed for up to 5 minutes. So you can see after grinding it continuously for up to 5 minutes on high speed, the frothiness of the egg, this is very necessary for baking the cake very spongy. Now take it out into a mixing bowl. Take a strainer and now add in 2 cups of maida. That is, here I have taken the half cup, and with that I'm using in 2 cups, which means it is all total 1 cup of maida together. Now sift the flour and using a whisk continuously mix in one direction. So you can see it has become hard now. Now it's time to add in milk into the batter. So add in little amount of milk and give it a good mix, and add in little more milk and mix it. So here you can see the consistency is just not perfect, the batter is too hard. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Set any spoon and you can use the same measurement. Also add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add in 1/4 cup of milk on top of the baking powder and baking soda so that it gets activated. And now with light hands continuously whisk it in one direction. So here you can see the batter is perfect and just ready. You can see the ribbon like consistency must be attained. Now I'm going to bake it in the cooking vessel that we have usually. So in case you don't have a baking tray or a baking molds, you can bake this way also. That is why I'm baking it in the vessel. Put a butter paper at the bottom and pour in the batter and tap it twice or thrice to remove the air bubbles. Here I'm garnishing it with some colorful tutti frutti for enhanced look. You can skip it, it is totally optional. Now put it in the oven and bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 to 40 minutes. In case you don't have an oven, you can even cook it in the preheated kadhai for about 40 to 45 minutes on low to medium flame. So here you can see after 40 minutes our delicious, perfectly baked and puffed up cake is ready. Now we are going to allow it until it gets completely cooled down. So here you can see the cake has been cooled down well. It has been almost 1 hour after the cake is baked. And now scrape the sides and put the chopping board on it. Flip the vessel and tap it once. Here you can see very easily the cake is unmolded. Take the butter paper out. You can see how perfectly the cake is baked. So this recipe is just perfect. To follow all the steps as shown in the video, you too will be going to make this recipe the same way. It is very easily being cut. You can just see it is just the bakery style cake. You can make it, and even if you want to do any type of frosting, you can cut the 3 layers of the cake and frost it. In case you want any cool cake recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. I will for sure bring you the cool cake recipe of any flavor that you wish for. So here you can see I'm going to show the sponginess of the sponge cake. You can see how spongy it is. After pressing it, it is again regaining its shape. This means the cake is just so perfect. See, I'm going to break it and show you the inside view. You can just see how fluffy and moist it had come out. You can enjoy it with your tea in the evening, and this tea time sponge cake is just so perfect. If you like my recipe, do hit a like button, do share it with your friends and family, and for more such amazing recipes, do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.